Designed in Germany, produced in China. European standard, high speed and efficient. Components of T10 automatic block making production line with Cuber. Batching and mixing system, automatic block making system, pilot and block conveying system, automatic cubing and stacking system, electrical and operational system. T10 automatic block making production line with Cuber is a top-class block making equipment which is designed by German company. The main components adopt well-known international brands like German Siemens, working stably with low failure rate. Its maximum production area is 1100 mm plus 820 mm, and its product height is ranged from 50 mm to 300 mm. The production process of T10 automatic block making production line with Cuber. The raw material for block making can be sand, stone dust, slag, coal gouge, fly ash and construction waste, etc. The machine can produce hollow blocks, decorative blocks, solid blocks, paving blocks, grass blinding bricks, and stones, etc. The client can choose 3-bin to 6-bin batcher according to the variety of local materials. Several materials are scaled and weighted automatically as per setting ratio, which can guarantee the block quality and save cost. After batching, the materials are delivered to the skip of mixer. The skip will be in the right position and then discharge the materials into mixer. After mixed with certain cement and water, the materials are transferred to the hopper of the block machine by belt conveyor. Hydraulic valve and hydraulic pump adopt the famous international components. Flange connection between motor and pump to provide good alignment, coaxiality, constant output hydraulic pump. Flow rate can be automatically changed based on pressure. Oil line plugging, winding, indicator light on when oil pipeline is plugging. High dynamic proportional valve and constant output pump to adjust the speed and pressure, which is efficient, stable, and energy saving. The pilots go through cleaning unit. Pilot training device to clean surface waste and then into block machine. The door of material feeding cart is driven by SCW motor. The mixing shaft, feeding box, bottom plate, and mixing plates use import high-duty hot dog steel. The feeding system adopts sealing device, which can prevent material from leaking. The discharge door is controlled by SCW motors with mini impact, and the door amplitude is adjustable. The vibration table consists of dynamic table and static table, and there are 2 vibration motors on the top to accelerate the block making and improve the block density, combined with intelligent frequency control technology and adjusting as per different materials to guarantee the high-quality concrete products. The vibration motors are S1 Siemens work mode, low-frequency standby, and high-frequency running. There is a soft connection between motor and eccentric shafts to reduce the vibration impact for mechanical parts and prolong lifetime. Auto-design and fix the vibration damping device and air cooling system. white blocks pass through transporting system, and double pillars pile the blocks into 8 layers, 16 pillars. Different dimensions of blocks have various layers and height. Then, forklift moves the white blocks to curing area for curing. After 24 hours curing, the dry blocks are moved by forklift to another pillar and through transporting system, pre-clamp device, and cubing system. The blocks are separated from pillars. Then, the pallets are transported to the origin place for second use. The cuber is controlled by programmable PLC and SCW frequency motors, which run stably and quickly. The buffering rubber pipes and clamping device are attached on the clamps of stacker. To prevent damage on blocks, users can readjust the clamping device according to various dimensions of blocks. The forklifts transfer the finished blocks from a heavy-duty chain conveyor to block stacking area. The control system adopts Germany Siemens Programmable Logic Controller PLC and Siemens Touchscreen, which is of easy operation and low failure rates. By adopting the data input and output device and data receipt function, the receipt and data can be saved permanently. Safety logic control system. The control system has self-locking function, avoiding the machine fault caused by misoperation. Also throwing advanced industrial internet technology. It can realize the remote maintenance, real-time fault diagnosis and alarm system, which would be convenient for machine maintenance and troubleshooting. T10 automatic block making production line with cuber can produce wall breaks, pavers, grass breaks, curbstones. The concrete products are widely applied in building materials, road, railway slope, also in streets, square, park, plant, and residential areas, etc. European standard T10 automatic block making production line with cuber has been exported to over 60 countries. The block making equipment from QGM has been sold to over 120 countries and areas in the world.